Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply reset your password in Capital One account. So if you have forgotten your password, this is the way how you can solve the problem. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open up a web browser of your choice and type in the URL www.capitalone.com. Once you type in the URL, you will be redirected to its login page. Now all you need to do is click on the sign in option. Now once you're signed in, you just need to enter your username, and as you type in your username, all you need to do if you forgot your password is to scroll a bit down and click on forgot username or password option. Once you do so, you will be redirected to this kind of page where all you need to do is click on your last name, type in your social security number provided, and lastly you need to type in your date of birth. Once all these three credentials are filled in, you need to finally click on the Find Me button, and this is how you can reset your forgotten password. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.